Hey guys, good morning. Kilby Browne, the Property House New York City team. New York City right in the background. Here I am at the public pool in Union City, New Jersey. And today is the last day that it will be open this year. September 20th, Sunday. I think it's about 57 degrees. Can't wait to jump in that nice, crisp, cool water. So that's the, it's a little baby pool. And then behind that fence is the pool for, adults, kids, all that kind of stuff. So we're right on the other side of the Hudson River. You can see Hudson Yards, Empire State, World Trade Center behind me. I'm going to jump in the pool and enjoy the very last day of public swimming. And then I'm going to have to move indoors. Very excited. Not excited to leave outdoors, but I'm excited that they have a indoor pool like a block from my apartment. So I'm looking forward to doing that, improving my freestyle swimming, getting in shape, being healthy, because that is what it is all about, especially now during COVID, building up your endurance, building up your lungs, your breathing, your health, just getting exercise, working out, being healthy is what it's all about. So I am going to jump in this chilly water and do a few laps, enjoy myself. I'll get back to you as the day progresses. Lost my cameraman today. Let's see if I can try to figure out how to have a few laps and and film myself. Oh, there's the city. Okay, I was kind of showing you a little bit of Edgewater, a little bit of Weehawken and Hoboken there for a second, but between here and the city, right, a little space right there is that's Hoboken. Weehawken right to the north, and Jersey City down to the south. So we're gonna jump in the pool, enjoy the cold, just swim, baby, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.